Hey people, so this particular video is special as in it's a review. But among all the particular serials that are there on Netflix right now, there is this very famous show called Breaking Bad. Now, Breaking Bad is about a terminally ill chemistry teacher who decides to produce this. It's a kind of a drug called crystal meth to secure the future of his family. It is. I normally don't associate some of these American shows with being emotional, but it'll completely. I mean, it's about this gentleman, about this man who's terminally ill, yet he works three jobs to kind of ensure that his two sons, one of whom is not mentally normal also, I guess. So you'll have to watch this show. Yeah, I mean, it's like a whole series, and it's got season 1, season 2, I think, up to 4 seasons. But seriously, people, I've heard of this. Like, Breaking Bad was something that I had just read about, but yesterday when I actually sat down to watch a little of that show, I realized, because and it is set in Colorado. The people who've been to the states would know that it's real life depiction. You would think, I mean, that's what in India we are used to. Even if they have to show a middle class family, they'll show a palatial set or something. But here, this show is like shot in real time locations and all. So you all should try and watch it. It's called Breaking Bad and it's on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.